You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these words correctly, and there are slightly different pronunciations in English. If you want to learn more vocabulary and more correct pronunciations, stay tuned to the channel. Tons coming up at the end. So British English pronunciation is pronounced as pier. Alright, pier. Okay, the R's in British English are not pronounced all that much, so pier. Okay, now American English pronunciation, the way it's pronounced in the US as opposed to the UK, pier, pier. So let's summarize: British English, pier; American English, pier. You got it. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.